My name is Shannon Williams. I am actually the community-based learning coordinator on campus, which basically means I help students get involved through volunteering or doing community projects in your classes. But I'm also a Student Senate advisor, and I also advise VIBE, which is the volunteering club on campus. So since Nikki and Jenny are working this event kind of behind the scenes, I told them that I'd be really happy to talk about student life and how to get involved this semester. So welcome to everybody once again. Just to repeat myself, if you have any specific questions or if you will share with me what brought you to this quick workshop here today, what you're hoping to learn about, please just speak up or put it in the chat box. So I'll just give everybody a second right now to kind of let me know if there's any specific questions you have. And otherwise, I can just launch into my pitch. All right, just kind of learn, just generally learn what's out there. Sounds good. Also, I know a lot of information was just covered in that opening session. If we have some time, which we probably will, depending on questions, I'd be happy to try to just help you out with general campus information to the best of my ability. So thanks to those who have shared what you're hoping to get out of this quick session, and we definitely will just kind of cover what's all available to you. All right, so student life is basically everything, almost everything that encompasses how you can be connected to other students outside of your classes, right? So it's student clubs, it is rec services, we have health services available to all students, cultural center and cultural clubs, leadership development opportunities, all these different ways for you to meet other people, for you to get to know faculty and staff better. Sorry, I have like a hair in my mouth or something. So professional. Okay, sorry. Develop skills for your current job or your future career, like leadership skills, communication skills, organizational, kind of all those skills kind of outside what you technically need to know to do a job in your career field, right? So we're here to help you develop your resume. All of those different things are reasons to get involved in student life. And there's so many different opportunities. What folks like myself and other club advisors or Nikki and Jenny in student life, what we're here to help you do is kind of figure out what your niche is, right? Jeremy, the advisor in the opening panel, made an awesome point about kind of testing things out and seeing where you fit in and what you might like to do the best. And I would suggest the same thing. You know, just because you show up to one club meeting, it doesn't mean that you're committed. You know, we want you to kind of try things out and see what you like to do the best. Also, kind of a myth is that if you don't join a club right away at the beginning of the semester, that you can't come in later in the semester, and that's not true. You can join anything at any time. And so what I want to do today is just share with you what our clubs are, keeping in mind that if you don't see something that you're interested in, that you can always start your own club. And as well as talk about being online and what that looks like in terms of student involvement. So